Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to add PayPal to Binance. And here is how. Log into your account by first visiting the Binance website or opening the Binance app. Locate and click on the account or profile area, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the Binance interface. You have an option about link accounts or payment methods in your account settings. When you click on it to manage your payment methods, a window to add a new payment method should appear. Select this option and Binance will ask you to enter your PayPal email address. Make sure the email address you enter is the one linked to your PayPal account. If your PayPal email address is entered, you may be taken to the PayPal website. To authorize the link, log in to your PayPal account and follow any on-screen instructions. You will receive a confirmation message after successfully authorizing the link between Binance and your PayPal email. Your PayPal email is now connected to your Binance account for payments. Please note that PayPal availability may differ based on your location and the particular cryptocurrency you want to buy on Binance. Moreover, Binance could ask you to finish additional verification procedures before using PayPal as a form of payment. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.